English made easy. Understanding, it's a sunny day. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, English Made Easy. Today, we're going to explore a simple, yet commonly used phrase in English, it's a sunny day. This phrase is not just about the weather, but it's also a great example of how English speakers express observations and feelings. So, let's dive in and learn all about it. First, let's break down the phrase, it's a sunny day. Literally, this sentence describes the weather. When someone says, it's a sunny day, they mean that the sky is clear, there are few or no clouds, and the sun is shining brightly. This kind of weather is often associated with warmth, light, and good visibility. Understanding when and how to use this phrase is crucial. It's a sunny day is often used in casual conversations, either as a statement of fact or as a conversation starter. For example, you might hear it when someone is making small talk about the weather or expressing happiness about the nice weather. This phrase is also used in various contexts, like planning outdoor activities or simply appreciating a beautiful day. The phrase, it's a sunny day, carries more than just a literal meaning. In many cultures, sunny weather is associated with happiness, optimism, and positivity. When someone mentions it's a sunny day, they might be indirectly expressing a good mood or a sense of hope. It's a phrase that can light up someone's mood or bring a more positive outlook to a conversation. Let's explore some variations and similar phrases. You might hear, it's a bright day, or the sun is out. All these phrases convey the same basic meaning but can be used to add variety to your conversation. Understanding these variations will not only enhance your vocabulary but also help you better understand conversations in different settings. And there you have it. We hope this video has shed some light on the simple yet expressive phrase, it's a sunny day. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about context, culture, and emotions. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using English phrases like a native. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Until next time, keep learning and stay sunny.